It's a perfect day to go pick up another car. We got the tow pig all loaded up. The trailer is connected. We got the truck warming up right now. And we are about to take a 1.5 hour road trip to go pick up our new car. All right, we just spawned in Pennsylvania. We're about 1 minute away from seeing our new car. I haven't seen this car in like a while. It's been a minute since I've seen it. All right, I don't see the car.
You're right.
Oh! Yo, it looks sick. That looks so good. I'm so excited. Oh my God. Dude, I've liked this car for like years now. It's been one of my favorite Gen 1 BRZs. I don't know how I'm getting in this parking lot. What did bro think? How am I making that turn? This has been one of my favorite Gen 1s of all time. I've loved this car over the past few years. I only see it like once or twice a year, usually when I'm in Gatlinburg. But now there's no Gatlinburg, so I won't be able to see it once a year. So the only option was to buy it, so that way I can see it all the time. So that's what we're doing today. No, I saw Marty put it up for sale, and I was like, you know what? I love this car. We're going home with one of the cleanest, sickest looking Gen 1 BRZs out there right now. What's going on? Like I said, we just spawned in Pennsylvania and we're buying one of the cleanest, sickest Gen 1 BRZs. And this is the guy who built it.
What's up?
BRZ Marty. Well, just Marty now.
Yeah, I'm just Marty now.
Just Marty
no
now.
BRZ Marty anymore, sadly.
Like, you know what's funny? Is like,
Sad.
I've been glazing your car for like years now.
I know.
Damn, Marty, how's it feel?
I'm sad, but I'm getting a new car tomorrow, so
Tomorrow?
I'm also happy.
What are you getting? Can you say it?
Yeah. You want to see it?
Yeah. Marty's getting the new car tomorrow. Bro's selling the car today, getting a new car tomorrow. He didn't wait.
He up.
Wait. That's sick. Is it comp?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
He just sold
That's nice.
it.
That's nice. That's
just
nice.
gave it away.
Shit. What? No, you can show him. This video will come out after he reveals it.
you were
Wait, can you show the camera?
Little M4 comp.
So now he's F82 Marty.
Yeah. Everyone's like, oh, we're not gonna see it anymore. I'm like, yeah, you will.
It's gonna be everywhere.
Yeah.
This is the BRZ Bandit.
Who, him? Oh yeah.
Can we take a picture like that and I'll keep it on my dash? Just me and you?
Yeah, absolutely. Jamil was there.
This girl.
Let me get the trailer all set up, and then we'll just drive it up.
Yeah, sounds good.
All right, cool. Did you just put that sticker on?
No. Not just now. I think I did that in GAT.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Oh, no way.
There's no way.
There's BRZ Marty's sticker on our trailer.
I
No,
swear
I
to-
definitely did that in GAT, or someone. I remember someone doing it, or I did it. I forget, but
It was meant to be.
yeah.
It was,
It was literally
be.
meant to be. We got a BRZ Marty sticker on my trailer. No, that's aged. That's on
Yeah,
there.
it's been on there.
That's hilarious. Oh my God.
That's the first time you've seen it
That's
for real?
literally that car.
I think I may have noticed it before, and I was like, "What the fuck is that?" And I just didn't pay attention to it. That's hilarious.
Yo, we manifested that shit.
Yeah, right?
That's kind of crazy.
What the hell? I forgot I even did that.
Manifestation is key, boys. I've had this BRZ Marty sticker on my trailer for I don't know how long. I mean, it's aged, and today we're buying this car. That is absolutely crazy. It looks so sick from here. From this angle, insane. You have the tools to take off the bumper, right? Okay, yeah, let's take off the bumper. I thought we could get it on the... We've gotten static cars on here with no problem. This car's low. He's got money. Look at his tools. Damn. This is wrapped, right? Vinyl? But this car reminds me of my car so much. Like, it has the same headlights that because I had a 2017. So these are the 2017 headlights. 2017 front bumper. Like, it's literally reminds me of my old car so much.
This is the kit you wanted to do, too.
I always wanted to do the Rocket Bunny V1. At that time in my life, like, there was no way I could get a Rocket Bunny V1 kit. It was out of the picture. So that's why I kind of pieced together a kit and molded it and made it look cool. But this was the kit that I always wanted. buying my dream car. Like, I know people say that all the time, but genuinely, like, when I was younger, before I had my first BRZ, the BRZ was my dream car. Like, back in 2016, 2017, this right here was my dream car. And I was so happy to be able to get it when I got out of high school. I got my first BRZ. It was great. I mean, I had my dream car. For some reason, I sold it. Like, obviously, I have my dream car. Like, I want an R8. That's always, like, you know, that's always been a dream car of mine. But these are one of my dream cars. I love these cars so much. So I am buying my dream car today, actually. It's kind of funny how that works. It's official, boys. We have the keys to our new BRZ. I see people put their cars up for sale all the time, and Marty's put his car up for sale like on his story. Literally every single time he puts it up for sale, I always swiped up on the story and I was like, dude, don't sell this car. We were just talking about it. Like, I always told him don't sell it. There was something about his car that I always loved, and it's just so funny. Well, I'm glad that he knows that it's going to a good home. But right now we're headed over to my buddy Jared's house. We're gonna help him with his truck. He's got an interesting project going on, so we have yet another 1.5 hour road trip ahead of us. Let's hit the road, baby. It's a tan ranch with a red barn. That looks like it. Is it? Oh, I'm gonna scream. I think so.
I'm not.
Our buddy Jared, he's the guy with the red truck. He actually inspired me to build this truck, but his dad, or I mean his grandfather, has the Doc Martin car from Cars. Like the actual, like not the one they obviously used in the movie, but like the one that was inspired off of. That's the Doc Martin car.
Oh.
Yeah, it's kind of sick.
I can't see it yet. Oh, there.
All right, I guess I'm just gonna, let's go. This is the guy that inspired me to build my my red truck.
And then he's far surpassed
No,
me.
no, it's literally a copy paste build.
No.
If that car was red, oh, if my BRZ was red,
you get
this could be
sold?
Lightning McQueen. This could be Doc Martin.
It's actually we sent this to a shop in South Carolina where they.
Oh yeah, this is my first time seeing this truck. All of them. Okay, so Jared's been building this truck secretly. Wait, can I talk about it?
Yeah.
Okay, Jared's been secretly building like the world's coolest truck, and it's pretty sick. Like he has the whole fucking body off the truck. It's he coated the entire frame. He's been learning how to weld. Like you learned how to weld on this thing, right?
Yeah. That was my biggest concern behind the entire project because I saved the truck originally from a junkyard for like $900, not knowing how rotted it was. And
This the cab.
doing all of this is like, okay, like nuts, bolts, you can put shit together. It's pretty understandable. That's been a learning process, but I've loved every minute of it.
Seeing everything out of the truck, like I don't know, well, in the truck, but out of the truck at the same time. Like I don't know, it's really cool. What motor is this? Like, is that?
This is, I'll do a breakdown. This is a 97 12 valve Cummins, 5.9 liter. This would be the equivalent of a early second gen Ram.
Dude, the details on this thing, like AM lines on literally everything. That
4
transmission
power
is fucking huge,
beefy, right?
What the fuck? Oh my god.
It will be going on air suspension.
That's gonna be
This
sick.
is coming out. I just got far from stock radius arms.
But like, it's funny seeing the K truck. Like when I look at my truck's like the standard, right?
Yeah.
And I look at the K truck and I'm like, oh, it's everything but smaller. This is everything but bigger.
But bigger.
The detail put into this truck is absolutely insane. You touched every single fucking thing on this.
This is the original 97 valve covers. I pulled off,
That is
polished,
sick, by the way.
and I had
I've known about this for a while.
engraved. Yes.
Yeah, I've known about that. That's absolutely insane.
They do need to be repolished. The motor has admittedly been sitting for like a year now while I did all the rust.
That's awesome,
It's been
man.
the greatest waste of time ever. Straps.
Lived up.
Start coming in. God damn, I just hit my knee on. Set it down here. I don't really care how it lands. This has been 2 years in the making, so.
Yeah, where's this cutout supposed to?
I'm just gonna go until we hit the engine. Hey, Hunter. Come on in. All right, start setting it down.
This is sick. Like, this isn't really my world, but it's I can appreciate it. Look how much work's been put into this thing. Like, that's a lot of work.
Yeah, let's do that a little bit.
He's had this truck for like 2 years and he's been working on it nonstop.
This has been a terrible project.
This is cool. Oh, I like that. Nice engraving. There's all like custom engraving on the top too, guys. It's pretty cool.
Dude, there's like so much more clearance than I thought. I thought for sure this was going to be way up over.
I remember you said that you were gonna have to cut a lot more.
Hey, let me grab a fender and let me see what it looks like real quick.
Yeah, how much are those fenders?
A lot. How am I going to get around that? No, how am I supposed to make that up? I don't have that much room to travel. I'm talking about, I want this thing on the ground. I want to get this truck as low as humanly possible. This sits way higher than I anticipated.
This is intense. This is really intense.
It's a huge project.
This is a project and a half. Like, I couldn't imagine doing something like this. This takes like years without having to drive. I don't think I have the patience for that. Basically, he's trying to get this truck as low as possible. So that, like, there, I don't know how he's gonna do it.
I don't know if I'm getting the thing on the ground, I'll say that, but I'm gonna get as low as humanly possible. Yeah, we got this.
Yeah, you gotta like act like you're in it.
Well, I need a chair.
Pull me up there.
Someone get this man a chair.
There's a milk crate over there. Give me the milk crate.
Official, dude. There you go. 2 years later. While we're here, how about you tell the boys what's your thoughts on this Stancy car? This isn't up your alley. I think it's interesting asking you because that's your stuff.
Yeah.
So what do you think about this tilty wheels and?
Personally, I like it. I don't like the wrap. Unfortunately, I do not like the wrap. I like the fitment. I think the wheel specs are nice.
Yeah.
I think it's a great base to work off of.
Absolutely. I don't like
the wrap's got to go.
I don't like the wrap either.
I think outside of that though, it's a beautiful kit.
I don't know if I already told you this or not, but he threw this sticker on my trailer a few months ago. It's a sticker of his car.
Oh jeez, what are the chances?
Yeah, that's before he
What are
even
the
listed it for
chances,
sale.
man?
And then today we saw it, and I just left it on there like I didn't notice it at all until today. He was like, dude, I threw that sticker on the months ago. And I'm like, I haven't fucking
Dude, you
seen
put a
it.
curse on you, put a hex on you.
Yeah.
We're on to you, Marty.
I think it was a
I know what you're
manifestation.
I know what you're doing.
Waiting on.
Of course it's raining. Hopefully it stops raining by the time we get to the shop because I'm not trying to load this thing in the rain. That was a long road trip. I'm tired. Look at that. Yeah. Seabum energy drinks are one of the best flavored energy drinks ever. They're so good, I'm literally addicted.
Yeah, we know.
Get it unloaded. I really want to take it out for a drive. First and last time I've ever driven it is up the trailer, so I'm curious to see how it drives. Probably something I should have done before I got the car, but we're here now.
Wait, have you ever even been inside of it?
I've never been inside this car. Let her eat! It's like you've done this before. Is this car blue underneath? Oh, what?
Oh.
No! This car's blue underneath.
Wasn't your old one blue?
My OG BRZ was blue. Oh man, that just adds to everything. That's awesome. Oh, that just makes my day that it's blue. This thing is going to be stuck for some time. It got dark immediately once I got this car off the trailer and the bumper and everything put back on it. So I really couldn't film much with it, but we have the car now. It is driving good, but as you can see, it is just stuck in so much ice. So we're probably not gonna be driving this thing for a while, unfortunately. Once the weather starts to get a little bit warmer and we can pull this thing out, I can't wait to start tearing this thing apart and start working on it. This is a project that I'm very, very excited for. I have a whole idea and plan for it already, which I can't wait to just get my hands dirty on this car. I don't want to give away too much with what I have planned with this thing, but just know it is very exciting. By the way, if you guys have any color suggestions for this car, please let me know down in the comments. I'm really not a fan of this wrap and I want to change it as soon as possible, so let me know.